Mama, won't you hold me like you hold on to beliefs? Like the world is against you and I'm the only one you need. Dad, why don't you tell me that you love me for who I am? I know you had it rough, so I don't know if you can. Can't you see you're hurting me inside? I feel like I've gotta run, but there's nowhere to hide. But it doesn't matter how many times you're trying to get inside my mind. I'll keep working on myself and I'll be fine. You can punch a concrete wall, you can scream, you can do it all. I am gone. I'm done with being more than I possibly can. You couldn't raise a little boy, now I'm an uncompleted man. Can't you see that's hurting me inside? I feel like I've gotta run, but there's nowhere to hide. But it doesn't matter how many times you're trying to get inside my mind. I'll keep working on myself and I'll be fine. Come banging on my door, I won't answer anymore. No, I am gone. I dream that you're holding me until I ask you to stop. Maybe your arms will touch and I'll be in the center of love. But just like any other day, I can already hear you say you don't love us enough. But it doesn't matter how many times you're trying to get inside my mind. I'll keep working on myself and I'll be fine. You can try to keep control or make me break your fall. Oh, I If you're stuck inside tomorrow, scared by what you can't see, if your heart is full of sorrow and you don't know where you need to be, I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling me. Let's take a little while and tell me what you need. It's okay to let go now, I'll take the lead. I'll hold you in my arms, sweet darling me. No, I don't think you're crazy. You're just trying to do it right. You are the light inside our home. You make me dance without a song, sweet darling me. When you're done with playing nice and you need some rock and roll, if you feel a little restless at the center of your soul, go on and take me by the hand, sweet darling me. Let's be a little crazy. Let's try to make it right. You are the light inside our home. You make me smile without a joke, sweet darling me.
600 miles and a college degree. I guess that neither one is calling enough. Say what you want, leaning on my shoulder. It's a tidal wave, always getting closer. You're the one I want, I'm not sure I know you. People don't see people getting older. Got you driving the city and some lingering doubts. Don't be afraid to come over and forget who you are. And offer found me, now wake up on the couch. Say what you want, lean it on my shoulder. It's a tidal wave, always getting closer. You're the one I want, I'm not sure I know you. People don't see people getting older. Say what you want, no need to keep it quiet. It's a carnival, I'm not sure you like it. If it's you I want, there's no use denying. Say what you want, lean it on my shoulder. It's a tidal wave, always getting closer. You're the one I want, I'm not sure I know you. People don't see people getting older.
You have your barriers high, 'cause you don't know you're one of a kind. You don't wanna let me in, don't wanna be let down. You fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we talk about being just you and I know that you've been hurt before, and you don't wanna go near the flames and get burned again. You know that I see you, and I still want you. And I don't wear no tinted glasses, I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you. And I don't wear no tinted glasses, I see through your circumstances. Whoa. You have a beautiful soul, and I don't wanna let her go. But you don't wanna let me in, don't wanna be let down. You fear if you let this be, I won't be around. I see the fear in your eyes when we talk about being just you and I know that you've been hurt before, and you don't wanna go near the flames and get burned again. Oh, you know that I see you, and I still want you. And I don't wear no tinted glasses, I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you. And I don't wear no tinted glasses, I see through your circumstances. This can't go on forever, the time limit, we're approaching it. Are you really okay with me going away? Finding somebody new, someone on the same page as me. Even though we've seen what this could be, you know that I see you, and I still want you. And I don't wear no tinted glasses, I see through your circumstances. You know that I see you, and I still want you. And I don't wear no tinted glasses, I see through your circumstances.